Imagine robots that handle the mess so you don't have to lift a finger. These next-gen cleaning robots are designed to sweep, scrub, vacuum, and even reach places you'd normally skip. They're the closest thing to owning your own automated housekeeper. All product links are in the description below. Cleaning just got a major upgrade. This cordless vacuum packs 200 watts of suction, power strong enough to pull up dust, crumbs, and pet hair in seconds. Its smart sensors detect dirt in real time and automatically adjust suction so you never waste power. The 180 foldable tube lets you glide under beds and sofas without bending or kneeling. With up to 95 minutes of runtime and a 6-stage filtration system that traps even microscopic particles, every clean feels like a breath of fresh air. Folding clothes feels endless until you let a robot do it for you. This laundry folding machine takes shirts, blouses, and pants, pulls them in automatically, and spits out crisp, folded stacks at the bottom. No buttons, no setup. Just feed it one by one and let it work its magic. It's designed for everyday clothes from kids to adults. This robot vacuum mop combo has a small mechanical claw that tries to pick up socks, slippers, and small clutter while it cleans. The claw works sometimes, but not reliably. The real highlight is its advanced navigation. It avoids furniture, cords, and toys with near-perfect precision, even under low-clearance areas. A large dock handles both wet and dry cleaning, making it one of the smartest cleaners out there. Cleaning floors without lifting a finger? Almost. Just slip on these mop slippers and start walking. The soft microfiber soles grab dust, dirt, and hair as you move. No bending, no scrubbing. They're stretchy to fit most feet and can even slide over your shoes. Great for kids or adults, and when you're done, toss them in the wash. It's cleaning, disguised as walking. Pet messes? Spilled coffee? No problem. This compact carpet and upholstery cleaner packs serious suction power to lift stains and odors from rugs, sofas, and even your car seats. The built-in tank holds enough solution to handle big jobs without constant refilling. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and works on just about any soft surface. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it once you see the gunk it pulls out. Pool cleaning without lifting a finger? That's exactly what this smart robotic vacuum delivers. It glides across your pool floor, walls, and even the waterline, scrubbing twice for a deeper clean. When the job's done, or the battery runs low, it parks itself at the surface so you can grab it without diving in. The wireless charging dock keeps things tidy, and with up to 4 hours of cleaning time, your pool stays crystal clear with zero effort from you. Big mess? Tiny mop. This mini sponge mop might look small, but it's surprisingly tough on spills, splashes, and sticky spots. It's got a super absorbent head, a squeeze handle you can use with one hand, and a design that tackles both wet and dry messes with ease. Use it in the kitchen, bathroom, even your car. When you're done, hang it up. It barely takes any space. Dusty blinds are no match for this clever little tool. With 3 curved arms and microfiber sleeves, it cleans both the top and bottom of 2 blinds at once, cutting your cleaning time in half. The sleeves grab onto dust fast and can be tossed in the wash when you're done. It's great for windows, air conditioners, even car vents. Add a cleaning spray, and stubborn dirt doesn't stand a chance. Smudgy windows and streaky mirrors don't stand a chance. This all-in-one electric window cleaner sprays, scrubs, and vacuums. No swapping tools or dripping messes. The built-in sprayer loosens dirt, and the powerful suction wipes it all away without leaving streaks behind. With a telescopic handle, even high windows are easy to reach. It's cordless, lightweight, and perfect for mirrors, tiles, cars, or anywhere you want a crystal clear shine. Tiny tool, big cleaning power. This 3-in-1 mini brush is your secret weapon for bottle lids, narrow grooves, and hard-to-reach corners. The U-shaped scrubber hugs cup rims, the gap brush gets deep into tight spots, and stiff bristles tackle the grime that hides in corners. It's small, sturdy, and easy to grip. Hang it up when you're done. It barely takes any space, but it handles a lot. Say goodbye to sloshing dirty mop water everywhere. This spin mop system keeps clean and dirty water completely separate, so your floors only get the fresh stuff. The microfiber head handles both wet spills and dry dust, and it swivels 360 degrees to catch every corner. The bucket has built-in scrapers that remove hair and grime with no hand contact. You just mop, spin, and relax. It handles the rest. Sticky messes and muddy paw prints don't stand a chance. This cordless spin mop glides across sealed hard floors, scrubbing away grime while you steer with just one hand. The dual spinning pads do the heavy lifting, and a push-button spray lets you target stains as you go. It runs for 20 minutes on a full charge, no cords, no limits. And the reusable mop pads? Just wash and reuse. Washing produce just got a high-tech twist. Drop this little gadget into a bowl of water, and it uses ion purification to clean fruits, veggies, grains, even meat, without soap or scrubbing. It runs wirelessly and shuts off automatically after each 10-minute cycle. No cords, no chemicals, and no mess. Just fresh, clean food that's ready to enjoy. Bonus, it charges wirelessly and fits right in your kitchen drawer. Wet boots in the morning? Not anymore. This clever shoe and glove dryer uses warm air and bendable drying ports to reach deep into your gear, blasting away dampness in just a couple of hours. It's quiet, energy efficient, and has an auto-off timer so you can set it and forget it. Whether it's work boots, ski gloves, or sneakers, everything stays dry, fresh, and ready to wear. A true game changer for rainy days. Pet fur on the couch again? Just grab this reusable roller and swipe it away. No sticky sheets, no batteries, no fuss. It picks up dog and cat hair from couches, carpets, bedding, and clothes with a quick back and forth motion. The trapped fur collects inside and empties out with one press. It's simple, portable, and endlessly reusable. You'll wonder how something so basic works so brilliantly. Tired of scooping cat litter every day? This self-cleaning litter box does it all for you, quietly, automatically, and with zero mess. The open-top design gives your cat a comfy space, while built-in sensors pause cleaning if your pet steps in. Waste gets sealed in a pull-out bin, so you never touch or smell a thing. With a 10-liter capacity, it handles up to 10 days of cleanup for one cat. Less effort, happier paws. Some messes love to hide, but this brush finds them fast. With a slim, angled head and stiff bristles, it dives deep into grout lines, corners, window tracks, and other tight spots that larger tools miss. It's tough on grime, but easy on your hands, thanks to a comfy, non-slip handle. Hang it up when you're done. It barely takes any space. One small brush, a whole lot of cleaning power. Dust seems to hide in every corner until you pull out this sponge. Designed with a U-shaped groove and dense texture, it grabs onto hair, dirt, and debris from blinds, vents, baseboards, and tricky window tracks. Just soak it, squeeze, and start swiping. It softens when wet, so it won't scratch surfaces, and it's totally reusable after a rinse. A simple little tool that makes deep cleaning oddly satisfying. Who says mopping has to be messy? This smart sponge mop lets you wring it out without touching a drop of water. Just pull the handle to squeeze, push it back down, and keep cleaning totally hands-free. The wide head covers floors fast, but slims down to squeeze into corners and tight spots. It rotates 360 degrees, hugs the ground, and folds up neatly when you're done. Clean floors, clean hands, zero hassle. Hate cleaning windows? Let a robot handle it. This smart window cleaner clings to glass with strong suction and maps out the most efficient path using built-in AI. It sprays, scrubs, and glides across every inch, even right up to the edges, leaving behind a streak-free shine. Dual water jets and microfiber pads power through dust and smudges. Use the remote to control everything from your couch. Tough messes don't stand a chance against this pocket-sized powerhouse. It shoots out high-pressure steam hot enough to melt grime off grout, tile, windows, and more. No chemicals needed. Ready in just 3 minutes, it gives you 10 full minutes of continuous steam to deep clean nearly anything. You get 10 different tools for every tricky spot in your home. Think of it as your all-in-one dirt-blasting sidekick. No more dragging around a bulky vacuum just to clean the basics. This ultra-light upright weighs less than a gallon of milk, but it's tough where it counts. The 720-watt motor sucks up dirt, hair, and dust from both carpets and hard floors with ease. You also get built-in tools for corners and furniture, plus a dust cup that empties in seconds. And the washable filter? That's just saving you money. Dust you can't see? This vacuum finds it for you. Its built-in light reveals hidden dirt on hard floors, while powerful suction picks it all up in a single pass. It's cordless, lightweight, and runs for up to 60 minutes, so you can clean your whole home without stopping. No trigger to hold, just one button for smooth, continuous cleaning. It's smart, slim, and seriously efficient. Doing a quick wash doesn't have to mean a full laundry load. This rechargeable mini washer is designed for underwear, baby clothes, and delicates, perfect for tight spaces or travel. Just drop in your items, press a button, and let the 360-degree scrubbing motion do the rest. It's gentle, efficient, and holds a surprising amount for its size. Lightweight enough for dorms, RVs, or hotel sinks. Laundry on the go just got way easier. Drying dishes just got a stylish upgrade. This stone mat isn't just pretty, it's made from diatomaceous earth, a natural material that instantly absorbs water like magic. No puddles, no soggy towels, just a dry countertop in seconds. It's big enough for all your dishes and folds down flat when not in use. Bonus? You can use it under plants, pet bowls, or even as a sleek trivet. Scrubbing the bathroom just got way easier. This cordless electric spin scrubber does the dirty work for you. No aching arms, no wasted time. It has 2 speed settings to handle everything from everyday grime to stubborn soap scum, and a display shows exactly how much battery you've got left. With 6 swappable heads, you can clean tiles, tubs, sinks, even windows. Charge it up, turn it on, and let it spin you free from scrubbing. Here's a soap case that actually solves soap problems. It mounts on the wall, drains excess water, and keeps your soap from turning into a soggy mess. The lid flips open to a neat 90 degrees and shields your bar from splashes in the shower. Plus, the whole thing comes apart for easy cleaning. Whether it's face soap, hand soap, or that fancy scented bar, you've got a clean, dry spot to keep it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.